Zenil Williams was in the mining town of Linden recently and reports that residents of South Amelia's ward launched a community drain cleaning project.
We've been struggling for years in this community concerning the road and the drainage. We are going to work together to make sure that things keep progressing in this community and farther afield in Linden.
Dawson explained that the community of South Amelia's ward has been neglected for some years now. Therefore, the Regional Democratic Council has taken up to financing 15 residents with the sum of $300,000 to clear the drains. Chairman of the RDC, RENIS MORIAN, said that moves will be made to have a community development council established so that the community will be empowered through an organized body.
You'd want to have a community development council established here. That anything happening here, it will be in your hands. Any contracts, any job, anything.
Minister within the Ministry of Natural Resources, Mona Brooms, who conducted a first-hand assessment of the Well Road in South Amelia's ward, urged the residents to take charge and own their communities.
Nobody cares about your community like you. You live here, so you know exactly where the water passes, when it passes, where's the speed.
Zenil Williams for InfoHub.